Hello. This is the time where you guys are going to get out your whiteboards, your markers, and your erasers. So go ahead and get those things and find somewhere that you can write. Remember, that is a table, that is a kitchen counter. Maybe it's a really big book that is hard, a hard surface that you can write on. So go ahead and get those things. If you need to, pause this video, and then when you have all those things, press play so you can watch it. Okay. So we're going to work on two letters today, okay? Make sure you're not touching any of your markers, your eraser, or your whiteboard just yet, okay? All right, your first letter, we're going to work on W, wind, W. Say that with me. W, wind, W. Awesome. The next one we're going to work on is V, van, V. V, van, V. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started writing. So I want you to watch me. You may do it as you watch me. You can always go back and watch the video, right? It's a little bit different than when we are at school doing this. Okay. All right, so I am going to start with my W, and I'm going to start on the plane line, okay? Everybody say start on the plane line. Go down to the grass line. Come back up to the plane line. Go down to the grass line. And back up to the plane line again. Say W, wind, W. Okay, I'm going to do another one with you guys, and then you'll do one on your own. Go to the plane line, go down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, back down to the grass line, back up to the plane line again. Go ahead and make another W on your own. Remember, you go to the plane line, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, back down to the grass line, back up to the plane line. When you have three W's on your board, say W, wind, W. I'm going to go ahead and erase it. Okay. Remember, when you are watching these videos, you are allowed to pause them, okay, if you're having a little bit of trouble with a letter or something. Okay, the next one we're doing is V, van, V. Okay, V is pretty simple. It's a little bit more simple than W. Okay, we're going to start at the plane line, go down to the grass line, come back up to the plane line. Okay, I'll do it one more time with you guys. Go to the plane line, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line. And say V, van, V. Go ahead and do one on your own. Remember to start at the plane line, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line. Okay. Go ahead and do one on your own if you didn't already, and then erase your board. Snap the cap on your marker. All right. Let's go through these really quickly. Say V, van, V. NW, wind, W. Okay, that is it for foundations.